Don't do this. Select Lasso tool and select the object carefully and then make the selection of the object. Then press Ctrl-J to make a new layer of the selection. To adjust the background, select the rectangular marquee tool and select the background area, and then press Shift F5 to apply content aware, and then select the clone stamp tool to make the adjust more suitable and real according to design. Open the selection layer and make sure layer should be above from all the layers and press Shift to increase the size of object. And here you go.